Hi, this is Jim, aka Retro Keys from SoundCloud. This is my first tutorial and demo video for DAW composing. It will briefly cover a cool feature I found in Arturia's Moog plugin. The ability to use the Arpeggiate function to easily produce the double octave bass popular with disco tracks in the 1980s. First off, here is what it sounds like when it is isolated. Let's bring up the VST plugin. And open the Moog's expanded functions. Now we'll switch from 2 notes repeating to 1 note and then change it from 2 octaves to 4. Now I'll play a chord with the arpeggio. Now moving on to the song called Happy Journey. It utilizes the double octave bass that we recently made in the Arturia Moog, and then it's programmed into the NI Maschine, or Maschine, as some people call it. Best hardware interface for programming and live playing, in my humble opinion. Also, it has wonderfully colorful blinking lights. Hope you enjoy it. And check out the song in its full glory on SoundCloud. Just type in Happy Journey Retro Keys. Thank you. Bye.